to another video. We about to prep for me to drop these bags on Friday. It's not really a launch because I've been launched, but I am dropping some bags and I haven't dropped no bags in a long little minute. It feels like to me, but I've been waiting on these bags for a really long time. Longer than usual because it was a long little process. But I'm about to go to the post office to get the rest of them. I already got some of them up in here. I'm about to go to the post office right now to get the rest of them because the way my building is set up, they don't bring boxes and stuff up in here. So if it's a big box, they're not gonna bring it to your, like they're just gonna leave it at the post office and you gotta pick them. So I went yesterday, it wasn't there. I checked today, it says it's there. Even though it said it was there yesterday too. So we're gonna hope that I get them. And I'm gonna go get them right now. Okay, y'all, this is the box. And I have to walk home with it. Tastes like candy. Now let me quit playing. But I have to walk home with it. I only live a few blocks away though, but it's not that heavy though. It's kind of heavy, but not really. So we got the good stuff.
All this time, I've been feeling hopeless till you came around. All this time, you're the only reason I'm not chasing highs. What is love?
Okay, y'all, I just opened up the bags and some of them are not as expected, to say the least. I'll show y'all the ones that's not how I wanted them to be. These. I thought that she was going to take this off and replace it with this. And then this one, two bags that I got the logos put on. Those two. And then I'm gonna show y'all the rest of the bags. It's just the bags. But I gotta set up so that I can take the product pictures right now. Okay, ignore my hair, y'all. Look at this country all the way up here. Ignore my hair, y'all, because it's a lot. But I just got all this stuff set up so that I could take the pictures in front of the little backdrop. Just for my camera to die. My camera to be dead. But normally I honestly take them on my phone anyway, so I could kind of just do that. But I just wanted to set it up to show y'all. So I'm letting my battery get some juice from my camera. I thought I had an extra battery, but clearly I do not. And I think I'm gonna eat while it's charging because my head is kind of spinning. I don't know if I want to make me like a Beyond Burger or a smoothie because I was supposed to have a smoothie for breakfast, but it's finna be 2 o'clock and I never got around to making it. I had some ice cream though. But I think honestly what I'm gonna do is to make it easier on myself while the battery is charging, I'm gonna eat, step 1, and then 2, I'm just gonna take one of each purse out the bag and just have them sit, so that way I could just take pictures, and then do whatever videos I do. I usually like to do a little video, and like instead of this background, I like to do a different background. Like when I was at the dorm, it was on the wall in my room, but since I'm back at home, I'm gonna use the skyline, since I do have the skyline not behind me, but outside the window. So I'm gonna do that just so I can have like vertical videos of them, because these are like the product photos. And also normally I use like the poster boards, and then I put those are pillowcases. The second part is pillowcases. I usually put the pillowcases on top of that, but I think I lost the poster boards when I was moving back from the dorm, so that's why I'm using these boxes and they don't even fit on there. As well as I was gonna cut the pillowcases open so there could be more fabric, but I can't find no scissors either, so it's really a lot. Okay, y'all, I just finished putting all the bags out and I started drinking my smoothie, but this girl ordered a bag and she's picking it up. So she's coming to get it now. I was gonna say she getting off the expressway, but she's getting off the expressway, so I'm going downstairs to give her her bag. Once I got back from giving her the bag, I set up this email to be sent out, and after I set up the email and scheduled it, or either sent it right away, then I went to SMS Bump and I set up some text messages to be sent out. Well, one text message to be sent out. Okay, so I just finished my hair is a mess, literally. I just finished taking all the pictures. Like, I just finished taking all the pictures as well as scheduling the email to be sent out tonight and a text message to be sent out in the morning. Now I'm about to airdrop everything from my phone to my laptop and get the pictures on there so that I can crop out the background and put them on the marble background of purses, as well as change some things up on my website because I'm back at home and it's still set to have pickup in Urbana, so some other stuff needs to be changed around just with the setup and everything like that. So that's what I'm about to do right now. It's like 5:35. Yeah. For some odd reason, my computer is running very slow, so I'm about to try and upload a lot of the pictures onto Canva through my phone so that way they can already be on here and I can just edit it on my computer. So right here, basically on the left side, I just have my product descriptions and like the sizes of the bags and the prices and everything, so it's right there where I need it, as well as the quantity so that I can easily access and put it on there. I'm also just adding it and other things that need to be added when I put it on there. Now I switched over to Canva to edit some posts and content that are going to be posted. I didn't even wind up posting this one right here, but I did post the other one. And I changed it from Urbana to Chicago for the pickup option. And then y'all gonna see I went back to Canva after this. I don't know why I don't stay on one thing at a time. But okay, y'all, it is currently the day of, and I did everything I had to do. I had to add some stuff to the Instagram shop, and now I'm literally at the post. I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm at the post office. It's like 8:58. The post office opens at 9. So I'm just out here waiting on them to open the doors up. There's other cars out here that's waiting too, though. That's fine. Ain't got no car, so I'm at the door. And yeah, I did everything that I had to do for the most part. But the package that I'm getting is the tape, the printer paper that I use for my thermal printer, the scrunchies that I put in the orders, and the motivational cards that I put with the business cards with the scrunchie on it. That's what I need up at the post office because they were supposed to deliver it 2 days ago and they didn't. And then it was like, sorry, it was on the truck. I called Amazon. It was like, it was on the truck, but they're gonna leave it at the post office today. So I'm going there and get my stuff, go back home, and that's what we have to do. It's like 9:15. These scrunchies, I will pop this because they sleep. These are the rolls that go in the printer, and these is the motivational cards. I wish they sold these in more hard larger quantity. They actually scrunchy. They just be good. No, when you open it up, they are good. It's ready to go. Okay, y'all, now it's 9:58, and I was trying to figure out how to set it up so that they could automatically see the shop paying for under each item. But it looks like it's gonna take me a little longer to figure it out, and it's 9:58. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna have to do that afterwards. And yeah, as y'all see, it's 9:59. These are all the products that are on, they need to be put on active. Right now they're on draft, so I gotta change it to active. I'm gonna do it once 10 hit, but I'm gonna select the ones I want. which is these 5 and this one right here. Those glasses for next week. And when the clock hits 10, I'm gonna do it. We're like really in a few seconds because it's been 9:59 for a minute. Let's see. And they're like 9:59, 58. Well, it's 10 o'clock now, so it don't matter. Set is active. Set 6 products active. Now it's doing it. They're all active now, so active. When I go on the website, it looks like this. With all the bags popped up. Ugh, they all look white. I should have made it so that it looked more bright. I think that's what I'm gonna go do now. Okay, so I want to change this so that it look a little more bright. You know, these is the bags that's this the only color, this the only color. This one is black too, but of course I'm gonna keep it as the white one since, you know, white is more bright. These is the older bags. Yeah, I was supposed to update this picture, but I didn't. I'm still gonna do it, just not right now, probably a little later. These the posts on Instagram. Okay, yeah, and I'm gonna change this later on since at this point they have dropped. But yeah. Okay, I thought I did an outro to this video, but I did not. My hair clearly is different now. This is like a week, almost 2 weeks ago that I recorded this. And it was something else that I was supposed to be editing before. Something happened with that. It was too noisy in almost all the clips. So I don't know. I just decided to edit this one. And yeah, I stopped recording at 10:15. Basically, for the rest of the day, like only 2 of the bags sold out. Thank you. I was grateful for that. It was the big white one and then like the smaller white one. I'm actually about to reorder the smaller white one right now. And I went to a pop-up shop a few days after. That's when another style of the bag sold out, and I still have 2 of them available. I have the triangle one and I have the pretzel looking one. I was gonna name it pretzel at first, but that couldn't be the only pretzel. So yeah, but that is all that I have for this video. Thank you all. If you want to check out more of the bags, make sure to look on my website below. And yeah, stay tuned for more behind the scenes. Don't forget to stay pretty, stay paid, and